Hello friends, in this video I will show unboxing and how to use spirometer or incentive spirometer. So normally doctor recommends it to check the functioning of your lungs. So I bought it from Apollo and the name mentioned here is Respiro lung exerciser, but basically the spirometer in incentive spirometer and a respirator lung exerciser all are same. So when I checked online, the price was somewhere about 200 to 250, but I'm not sure about the quality of the product. I checked in Apollo, the MRP was mentioned as 750 here, but in special offer they gave it for 500. This was through offline store, but I bought it online. In online I bought it at a price of 450. So I placed the order yesterday night and it was delivered next day morning. I will show you what is mentioned in the box. You can see the MRP, manufacturing place, everything here. And instruction for use, how it has to be used. Now I will unbox this and let us check what are the things available inside. So you can find a tube like thing here, and the device itself and a mouthpiece. So now let's connect this. I will connect the mouthpiece here, and at the other end I will connect it to the device. So once we have done this, you need to inhale through this mouthpiece. So you have to keep the device at your mouth level and inhale using the mouthpiece. I will show you how it moves here. So let me inhale. Yeah, you could see that the blue ball comes up very easily, and next the orange and the green one was a bit tough. So though I am not technically sure, but above you can see here it's mentioned as 600cc, 900cc and 1200cc. It may be mentioning the capacity of your lungs. But what it was mentioned on net is by doing this regularly on daily basis for 5 to 10 minutes, you can increase your lung capacity. There are a lot of unused spaces in the lungs, and by doing this exercise you are making the lungs to function to its fullest. So let me try one more time and show you. I was able to bring up this green ball, but I was not able to sustain it for a long time. So let me try it once again for you. So that would be, I think, for 3 seconds I was able to hold this green ball up. So that is how this functions. It's a very simple thing, and I recommend everyone to purchase this and use this to make your lungs healthy. So I will remove this thing here. So it is generally recommended for a single person use. You can also wash this mouthpiece and try it for someone else, but it is recommended to use within your family so that there is no infected person would be using this. Okay friends, I think this video would have helped you. Thank you for watching.